So that's what we ended up with. Finished switches. Our wiring comes in through the back. It's tough to see, but there's our switches coming through. We can pop our panel back on and put our fuse panel back together. So when we put our fuse panel back together, we're just going to tuck our wires that ran back up underneath the cover here. And then they're going to be nice and protected from all the elements and everything. So I've clipped the fuse panel back together. You can see the bottom is back on. And now we can pop it back into the tray. And you can see it's just got to sit down right into those guys right there. And that's it. It's in there. And you can tie up these wires all the way down. A few zip ties here and there. Makes things a lot cleaner. Last thing we're going to do is hook up our batteries. So now, when we turn our key to the run position, we can, my hazard lights are on. We can watch when I turn the switch on. Service advanced track comes on. We get 3 lights, and it'll stay like that until you flip your switch back on.